So I'm going to go and find a patient who was added in an earlier instructional video called Mr. Jack Bunny. And to find Mr. Bunny, I'll start to type in the details here. As I type in here, the names appear and his name is in the list there. Double clicking on it brings them up. Had I created the patient as a new patient, I can skip that search phase. To start a new presentation, I click the Create New Presentation, and in the presentation detail window I select the practice the patient is to be seen at, the practitioner that the patient is to see, and the date of the first appointment. And I can either do that by clicking on the calendar here, or I could type it directly in, but clicking on the calendar is more usually a quicker way to do it. Using these buttons here, we can indicate if the patient has never been to the practice before, which this one hasn't, or if they have been to the practice before, maybe they have or haven't seen this current practitioner before. And we press the Create Presentation. The presentation notification window here gives us three options. If the patient is going to complete the initial assessment forms online, we would click the Allow System to Email. If we actually want to view the assessment now, maybe the patient's actually standing in front of us in reception, we can do that, or we can click on the Go to Work list if the patient's going to come in and complete the forms in the practice before their first visit. If the patient hasn't got an email address set up on their patient screen, then the Allow System for Email button won't appear. But for now we do want to allow the system to email to the patient, so I click on here. And I'm now shown the presentation detail window. If I see that, then we can assume that the email has been sent off correctly to the patient.